Hello. My name is Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. How about you?
I'm from the United States.
Oh, that's nice.
Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. It's very peaceful.
I agree. It's a good place.
What do you do?
I work at a hotel.
Oh, really?
Yes. And you?
I'm a college student.
What are you studying?
I study business.
That's interesting.
Thank you. I enjoy it.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's great. Practice helps a lot.
Yes, it does.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me.
Yes? Can I help you?
I think I'm lost.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
I'm trying to find the library.
Okay. It's not very far.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure. Are you walking or driving?
I'm walking.
All right. Go straight on this road.
How long should I walk?
Walk for about 1 block.
What do I do after that?
Turn left at the corner.
Is the library on that street?
Not yet. Keep walking a little more.
What will I see?
You'll see a cafe on the right.
Is the library near the cafe?
Yes. It's across from the cafe.
On which side of the street?
It's on the left side.
How long will it take to get there?
About 5 minutes from here.
Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 6 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a shirt.
Sure. What size do you wear?
I usually wear a large.
What color do you like?
I like white or light blue.
How about this light blue shirt?
It looks nice.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
Take your time.
Okay. I'll try it now.
How does it fit?
It's a little tight.
Would you like a bigger size?
Yes. Do you have an extra large?
Yes, here you are.
Thanks. I'll try this one.
How is it?
This one fits better.
Great. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I'll take it.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for today.
Okay. I'll ring it up for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Excuse me.
Yes?
This street is very busy.
Yes, it is. The cars are moving fast.
I'm a little scared to cross.
Don't worry. I can help you.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Please take my arm.
Okay.
Let's wait for the green light.
All right.
The light is green now.
Is it safe to go?
Yes. The cars have stopped.
Let's walk slowly.
Take your time. There is no rush.
My legs are not very strong.
That's okay. I'm right here.
We are almost across.
Yes. Just a few more steps.
We made it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Good morning. I have an appointment.
Good morning. What is your name, please?
My name is Alex Brown.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
How long will I have to wait?
The doctor will see you in 10 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
Alex Brown, the doctor is ready.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, Alex. What seems to be the problem?
I don't feel very well.
What is wrong?
I have a sore throat.
How long have you had it?
For 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
It's slightly high.
Should I be worried?
No. You just need rest.
Do I need medicine?
Yes. I'll give you a prescription.
How often should I take it?
Take it twice a day after meals.
For how many days?
4 or 5 days.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
I can't find my keys anywhere.
Don't worry. Let's look for them together.
I'm really stressed. I need to leave soon.
When did you see them last?
I had them when I came home.
Did you put them on the table?
I checked there already.
How about your bag?
I looked inside, but they're not there.
Let's check the sofa.
Okay.
Look under the cushions.
I see some coins, but no keys.
Wait. Are they in your jacket pocket?
Let me check.
Here they are.
Oh yes, that's them.
I'm glad we found them.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I should keep them in one place.
Yes. That's a good habit.
Now I can leave on time.
Great. Have a good day.
You too. See you later. Hello. Can you help me for a moment?
Sure. What's the problem?
My sink is leaking.
Let me take a look.
The water is dripping a lot.
Yes, I see it.
Do you know how to fix it?
I think so. It's not too difficult.
That's good to hear.
First, we need to turn off the water.
Okay. I'll do that now.
Great. Now I'll tighten this part.
Is it working?
Let's check.
The water stopped.
Yes. The leak is fixed.
That was fast.
It was a simple problem.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're very helpful.
I'm happy to help.
Can I get you a cup of tea?
That would be nice. Thank you.
Oh look, there is my friend Lucy.
Where is she?
She's standing near the bus stop.
Are you sure?
Yes, I think that's her.
Wait a second.
Why? I want to say hello.
That woman is not Lucy.
Really?
Yes. Lucy has short hair.
Oh no, you're right.
This woman has long hair.
She is looking at us now.
She looks confused.
I feel very embarrassed.
It's okay. It was a small mistake.
Should I say sorry?
No. Just keep walking.
My face feels hot.
Don't worry. It happens to everyone.
I really need my glasses.
Yes. That would help a lot.
Let's go this way.
Okay. Forget about it.
Oh no.
What happened?
I dropped my phone.
Where did it fall?
Into the sink.
Are you serious?
Yes. It's wet.
Did you take it out?
Yes, right away.
Don't turn it on.
Why not?
It can damage the phone.
What should I do now?
Dry it with a towel first.
Okay.
Then put it in a bowl of rice.
Really?
Yes. Rice can absorb water.
How long should I leave it there?
At least 1 day.
I hope it still works.
Let's hope so.
I feel so unlucky.
It happens. Be careful next time.
Yes, I will.
Keep your phone in your pocket.
That's a good idea. Let's practice English today.
Okay. I'm ready.
We will start with the present tense.
All right.
Say, I work every day.
I work every day.
Very good.
Thank you.
That means it happens regularly.
I understand.
Now, let's try the past tense.
Okay.
Say, I worked yesterday.
I worked yesterday.
Perfect. That happened before.
Yes. Yesterday is the past.
Now, let's talk about the future.
How do I do that?
Just add will.
Okay.
Say, I will work tomorrow.
I will work tomorrow.
Excellent.
That was easy.
You're doing very well.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Let's practice more later.